Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll review tips for checking and resetting the maintenance minder service codes on this 2016 Honda CRV. We'll use the menu and source buttons on the steering wheel and the vehicle menu on the dash to reset each code. Now let's get started. Press the engine start button twice to display indicators. Turn off headlights as needed. Condition indicators display B124. B indicates oil life at 0%. 1 indicates rotate tires. 2, replace engine air and cabin filters. And 4, replace spark plugs and inspect engine valve clearance. Note, if there was an A before the subcodes, that would indicate that the engine oil life is low and should be changed soon. Press the menu button. Use vehicle menu and source button to select vehicle information. Select maintenance information. Use the source button switches to select submenu items. I'm using the right arrow. Would you like to reset information for the oil life? Yes. Oil life has been reset. Oil life is now 100%. Additionally, the submenu codes 1, 2, and 4 have also been reset. Your maintenance minders have been reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and drive defensively.